see as she went down, she went further into that. And then I could feel that her femur, I had my hand on her femur, and as she was going down, you could feel just a little internal rotation. It wasn't something that was necessarily visible, right, but come up. Because a lot of times it's not going to necessarily be the full movement that's the problem, but you can feel the torque. Because when there's balance around the hip joint, if she goes down, I should not feel rotation internal or external if she's got good coactivation around that hip joint. It should just stay put as she folds over the femur, right? So a lot of times you have to put your hands on them, and as she goes down, if right here, I start to feel her femur getting pulled into internal rotation. And you could see she started to get a little bit of losing the good foot position as well. So as she comes down, come back up, I want to make sure she's keeping the pressure in the ankle, yeah. And I can guide her a little bit here. Okay, now get the pressure into the belt. And now I can feel her glutes are eccentrically lowering her down. And now I feel that her quad, or her femur did not pull into internal rotation, right? And so this again is some of those subtleties that I was talking about. As long as you know what you want to feel, we know that if you have good activity here, we should feel the intra-abdominal pressure being maintained, and we should feel that the glutes are eccentrically helping to lower her down with the quads, right? So that's where just kind of getting in there and feeling really can make a difference in what